emails like these got us thinking, how do we reach someone who is in a city where we are not present, or someone who works in shifts that he can't attend our physical classrooms? Thanks to technology, I am proud to announce the launch of our eCatapult Live variant, where IMS mentors, very senior academicians and 100 percentilers will deliver 65 online classes. So now you can actually learn from our mentors sitting in the comfort of your homes. In this program, we are going to still follow IMS's LPT approach, which is learn, practice and test module. In the first phase, which is the learn module, you will have 65 sessions live conducted at regular intervals during the week. During this particular modules, till the month of August, like in our classrooms, you will learn all the concepts. So the mentor will help you understand the concepts, solve questions with you online, live, and you are now ready to go. Starting September, we will start our popular masterclass series where we'll teach you shortcuts, strategies that will help you ace the CAT. Now, two very important questions that people ask here. What happens if I miss a live class? Don't worry, the recordings of the same will be available on your login. And second, how will we deliver these sessions? We'll have softwares, platforms that are meant to deliver an online classroom experience, which allow for meaningful interaction between the mentor and the student. So that's how we are going to deliver these sessions to you. To supplement the online classes, we have about 140 hours of videos. So there will be concept videos, certain important question types covered in pre-recorded videos, and our eMaximizer workshops. To ensure that you have enough practice, there are 5,000 questions across the learn and the practice modules. And finally, you can state the CAT by taking our SimCats. We give you access to 40 SimCats and 60 full-length mocks for the other exams like XAT, NMAT, SNAP, etc. Obviously, the other features including study material, doubt solving facility is already available. We firmly believe that your PIN code or your work timing should not come into the way of your CAT preparations. So let's get cracking. Let's meet soon in our e-classes. See you soon. Bye.